Okay, so this class will take just a few minutes, and it is about the articles. So we do have three types of articles, as we have a, we also have an, and we also have the or the. Yeah, it's pronounced both ways. It's up to you how you prefer to pronounce it. And we have a, I'm gonna do it very big here, as in for feminine as well as masculine. What does this mean? I can use a, and then I can use, for example, flower. So that also means in singular, one flower, a flower. And what do we have to take into account? That because this starts with a consonant, that's the reason why we use the article a. On the other side, we have the article an. And yeah, it means exactly the same as a. But the difference is that we use the article an when the next word starts with a vowel. It's a matter to make it easy for the phonetics, for the pronunciation. So we have to add these, even though it's exactly the same. It's also for singular, but that's the deal that we're taking into account. So it can be any vowel. So we have A, I, O, U, okay? So for all the vowels, for the grammar, article an, and then for the grammar article a, every other word that starts with a consonant. I'm going to put it also over here that these two are for singular. So we cannot say a flowers, it doesn't make sense. An oranges, it doesn't make sense, because these two only work for singular. On the other side, we have the article, and this is very interesting because this is very versatile. We have the article the, and the applies for both singular as well as for plural. So we have singular and also plural. And it can also be used either for masculine and also for feminine. So for example, we have the cars. But the difference is that we have to use the noun with the S. Well, in this case, because the plural of car is cars. We have other plurals where we have to add the E, as in, and there are also other plural words that do not end in S. But in this specific case, it does. So we have the cars, but we can also use it without the S. So for example, we can also use just the car. Okay? So this would be its plural, and this would be its singular. Let me put it back there. And this is for both, in this case, would be for masculine. M as in masculine. But we have the other way around, where we use the or the for, like example, let's use plant, okay? So we have here plant. But we can also put it in plural or in singular. And this, taking into account that this is its plural and that this is its singular, and then both of these will work for feminine. So remember that the big category of this, and let me use the red marker, these are the articles. And that's it.